How to create tasks on Google Calendar. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create tasks on Google Calendar. So first thing you have to do is go to Google Calendar. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go down and click on this little option. After you click on it, now choose the task option right here. And now add a task you want. For example, learn a skill and click save. Now I just added a new task, as you can see right here, easily and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.